Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of another 6% fall in dairy prices in the latest dairy auction. But first, American construction spending rose strongly in July to its highest level in more than 5 years. Private construction increased and state and local government outlays surged. Is a very positive sign for the US economy. In backing up yesterday's PMI data, today's ISM survey showed factories in the US are busy and expanding. That index was at its highest level since March 2011 and records 63 months of expansion. New order levels were especially strong. The Fed will be now looking for rising wage levels, its key marker when it's going to consider normalising its interest rates. Might have not long to wait. Markets now picking June 2015 for that. The end of bond buying is imminent and on schedule. Across the Atlantic, it's not so rosy. Apart from Vladimir Putin saying he could take Kiev in 2 weeks, the Swiss economy unexpectedly stalled in its second quarter as stagnating growth in the euro area hurt their exports. In Japan, a surprise. Their wages unexpectedly logged their strongest increase since 1997, providing a boost to the government's battle against deflation. Labour cash earnings rose 2.6% in July compared with a year ago. Summer bonuses grew an annual 7% in July from a revised 2% gain in June. The latest global dairy trade auction overnight saw prices fall 6% in US dollar terms, but down less, 4.7% in New Zealand dollar terms. The big falls were for skim milk powder, which dropped 9.5% to $2,600 a tonne. Butter fell 5.6%, cheese fell another 4.9%, and whole milk powder fell 4.3%. These changes are from the last auction just 2 weeks ago. Overall prices are down 42% from a year ago, down 45% in New Zealand dollar terms. US stock markets were lower overnight after their long weekend. The US Treasury 10-year benchmark bond, however, rose to 2.41%, which is a big jump on the day. Will no doubt be reflected here in our swap rates later. The price of oil fell markedly overnight. It is now down to under $93 a barrel in the US and almost under $100 a barrel on the Brent benchmark. Gold also fell sharply, now down at $1,262 an ounce. We start today with the currency lower, not only from the dairy auction, but more from a surging US dollar. We are now at just 83.1 US cents, the lowest we've been since February earlier this year, 89.6 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 78.4. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.